If your Fire TV Manage Sharing option won't turn off or has vanished, you need an instant fix. This Fire TV sharing issue is frustrating, but we have solutions. Method 1. A simple Fire TV restart. Unplug your Fire TV for 60 seconds, then reconnect. This clears temporary system glitches. If that fails, corrupt app data is likely leading to method 2. In Fire TV settings, go to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Find System Apps, clear cache and data, force stop them. This removes bad temporary files. Still stuck? Outdated software causes malfunctions. Method 3. Checking for system updates. Navigate to My Fire TV in Settings, then About, and check for updates. Install the latest Fire OS for critical bug fixes. If those don't restore Fire TV sharing control, a deeper conflict exists. Method 4. A factory reset. Go to My Fire TV settings, then reset to factory defaults. This wipes settings, restoring a fresh state. Follow these to regain full control.